Hey, welcome to the new video. So we have covered LinkedIn in detail in the playlist of freelancing. And in this video, I'm going to talk about importance of building your presence on Quora. And it all starts by creating your free profile on Quora. What is Quora? Quora is one of the world's biggest knowledge-based website, much on the lines of Wikipedia, where people ask questions and people give answers to those questions. So it's a knowledge-based, website where people come in and they voice their opinion or ask questions, and then people actually comment on those blog posts or, in a process. Not only they grow their followership, but they also seek business opportunities. So how can you seek business opportunities on Quora? Take a look at this profile. This constable has never been to school. He's from Pakistan and he has over 70k followers. And the reason why he's got there is because he has been voicing his opinion on Quora, answering questions related to his field, and of course, growing in a process. So you can do the same as well. Copy paste and take a leaf out of Numan's book. Start creating and populating your Quora profile. Start answering questions related to your field. And in the process, when you comment on someone's post, you need to curate your answer. And by curating your answer, not only you need to answer the question, in a process you can give the link of your Fiverr profile or Upwork profile or YouTube profile or LinkedIn profile, wherever you feel comfortable to route the traffic to. But there's one thing you need to pay very close attention to. You're not advised to copy the link of the final destination, could be any website, and then paste it as it is. Instead, I would advise you to go to a website called bit.ly, shorten the URL, and once you pick that short URL, just paste it and supply that link, put that link in the answer section. LinkedIn or Quora, both websites actually like organic answers. So when you're interacting with someone on their post, the idea is to sound natural, should not sound like a selling job. It should sound like you're trying to help someone. And when you're trying to help someone, the English here should be not so complicated, simple English. And somewhere in your paragraph, when you're answering a question, just put a link. When people get to see the answer and they click on the link, the traffic gets on the final destination. Could be your Fiverr profile, could be your Upwork profile. And over a period of time on Quora, people start accepting you as a subject matter expert, the one who knows a lot of details about their skill set. And you never know. Not only you could get more business opportunities, but you grow your followership on Quora. Quora is one amazing tool, a huge knowledge base. Create your profile on Quora, and after populating your profile, start interacting with other posts.